In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in LinkedIn. If you've moved to a new location, want your profile to reflect your current region, or simply need to update your account information. LinkedIn makes this process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for so you can update your country setting quickly and correctly. Start by going to your LinkedIn homepage and looking at the top of the screen. You'll see the Me icon there, which opens your personal account and profile options. Click on that icon to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, choose View Profile. This will take you to your public profile page where you can review and edit the main information that appears at the top of your account. Once you're on your profile, look for the Introduction section near the top. This is the area that includes your main profile details. In that section, click the Edit icon, which looks like a small pencil. This opens a pop-up window where you can make changes to your basic profile information. Inside the pop-up window, scroll down until you find the Country or Region field. Take your time here because this section may be slightly lower in the form depending on your screen size or device. When you see the Country or Region option, click on the drop-down list and select your new country. After choosing the new country, LinkedIn may ask you to update additional location details. Depending on the country you select, you might also need to enter or adjust your city or district and your postal code. This helps LinkedIn keep your profile location accurate and consistent, so make sure those details match your current location. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That will apply the change to your profile. And that's it. Your LinkedIn country setting should now be updated. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to review the top section of your profile to make sure the location displays the way you want it to. If needed, you can reopen the same edit window and make small adjustments. Keeping your location current can help make your profile more relevant for networking, job searches, and regional opportunities on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your LinkedIn profile easily.